Ever wondered how to get those perfect six-pack abs? It's a common desire, aiming for that toned, defined midsection. It's about more than just looks. It's a symbol of a healthy, fit body. Today we'll break down the process of getting six-pack abs in a simple, step-by-step manner. First and foremost, your diet plays a crucial role. To carve out that six-pack, you need a balanced diet, rich in lean proteins, whole grains, and abundant fruits and vegetables. These provide the necessary nutrients your body needs to build and maintain those abby muscles. Monitoring your calorie intake is vital too. Avoiding junk food? Non-negotiable. It's essential to understand that no amount of exercise can compensate for a poor diet. Remember, you can't outtrain a bad diet. Next, let's talk about the right kind of exercise. A balanced blend of cardio and strength training is crucial in sculpting those six-pack abs. You see, cardio is your secret weapon for burning fat, while strength training helps you build and define those muscles. Now when it comes to targeting the abs specifically, exercises like crunches, planks, and leg lifts are your best allies. Remember, it's not about how hard you go in one session, but how consistently you show up. Consistency is key when it comes to exercise. Don't forget about rest and hydration. Rejuvenating sleep and ample hydration are pivotal for muscle recovery and growth. Sleep is the body's natural repair time, while water aids in nutrient transport. Remember, in the pursuit of six-pack abs, your body needs time to recover and grow stronger. Achieving six-pack abs is not an overnight process. It's a journey that begins with a balanced diet, rich in nutrients and low in empty calories. Regular exercise, particularly core strengthening routines, is key in sculpting those abs. But don't forget, your body also needs sufficient rest and hydration to recover and build muscles. So keep the discipline, maintain balance, and be patient. Start your journey to six-pack abs today. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint.